Today I'm going to be showing a video on how to replace the flint in a Zippo lighter. First, open the lid. Remove the metal flint and gas chamber. You'll see this fuzzy stuff right here and this screw. You're going to unscrew the screw. You'll see a spring with a metal piece at the end. That is not the flint. The flint will be right under that metal piece right there. Here's the flint. If you just bought the flint in this case, you'll open it like that, get the flint out. To put the flint in the Zippo lighter, you're going to just take the piece and put it in that brass hole. Okay, then you take the spring/screw, push it down. It will be a little bit challenging to screw it in and keep it balanced because of the spring pushing out. Once you have it there, just screw it finally in. Like that. Your flint should be working. After that, just put the metal case put this inside the metal case. And you've got your Zippo lighter. Now that you've learned how to put the flint inside the Zippo lighter, I will show you a good spot to store it. Zippo advertises this spot, and it's pretty helpful. So you remove it like we did before. And on this fuzzy piece right here, you're going to want to lift it up. You can store your flint inside right here. It will not harm the lighter at all, or change the flame, because that's where the fuel is, but it will not do any